All right, it's morning. Let's see what it looks like today. Oh, beautiful. There's the sun coming through the trees. Nice and calm and quiet. Let's see, no deer that I can see. Or maybe there's some way over there on the other side. Where did I? Maybe not. I guess not. Just the sun hitting just right. Okay. Oh man, looks like it really cleared off. The smoke, I mean, last night we had that smoke come through and it was really thick. But right now it's all clear. And now it's time for breakfast. And let's see, wait, there's a deer over there. I think. Let's hold that steady. Come on, stand still. Come on, steady. You can do better than that. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. The plans for today is heading to Devil's Tower, doing the Devil's Tower ride today. And then tonight, I'm heading over the Buffalo Chip for the ZZ Top concert. So that's the plan anyways. As far as I know, they are still performing. You know, they had the one member pass away recently, but as far as I know, the show's still on as of now. So anyways, I'm going to have breakfast now and then get ready to go, and we'll talk to you later. Okay, I've had breakfast. I got everything packed up and washed up, and I got my suntan lotion on. I'm about ready to go here. Well, it's only like 20 to 9 right now, so I'm actually getting out pretty earlier than I have been anyways. So I should be ahead of the wave, you know, the heavy crowds. So I think anyways. But anyways, I'm going to head towards Devil's Tower, and the next time you see me, we'll be in Sundance. And then in Sundance, I'm going to mount the Hero 8 on the front fairing, so I can have that. I can rotate it around and get some riding footage after Sundance. Because from here to Sundance is just interstate, and so I just didn't. No reason to record from there. So, anyways, see you in Sundance. Okay, just filled up on at Sundance. Got the full tank of gas, got the camera mounted. I'm gonna hop on the bike and head towards Devil's Tower. So here we go, on the bike I go. Devil's Tower, here we come.
can talk to her on the phone, but she's usually.
And there we go. I'm at Devil's Tower, just walking, leaving the parking lot now, and I'm going to go take a walk around Devil's Tower. Still got construction going on. Yeah, look at this. It's a brand new structure from last. It was not here last year. Cool. Benches, and they have a model of the tower. Go take a look at that. Here's a small one. There's a small one, and then so we'll have another model here, a little bigger. That's cool. Okay, I'm gonna head on the trail now. I think I'm walking around the opposite direction than I did last year. Beautiful.
I mean, I see what it's pointing at, but I don't see any detail.
Here's the 1893 ladder. The wood ladder. Cool. Okay, of course here I am. I just finished eating. I'm just sitting here relaxing in the shade, in the cool of the shade. Got a nice wind blowing through too. And the parking lot here is largely full because what they have this year is a shuttle to bring people up to the Devil's Tower, up to where the visitor center is and where the trail is. So that's why there's so many cars here. I'm the only one picnicking though. Yeah, so just a little look around here. And the plan next is I plan to go into Hewlett, Wyoming, and they have things going on there. They call it the Ham and Jam. And I think I'll probably stop in there and probably get like a lemonade or something. That's what I did last year. And then after that, head back to camp for a little while before heading to the buffalo trip this evening tonight, or ZZ Top. But there we go. I'm just going to sit here and relax for a little bit longer and then head on out. So talk to you a little bit.